Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you guys are new. My name is Mackenzie for some of you that don't know me, and it's been a while since the last time that I uploaded on my channel, and I'm just so excited to be back. I have so many video ideas coming up, but if you guys have any that you would like to see, make sure you comment them down below. I have had a few requests for this video in the past, so I thought it would be fun to kind of come back onto my channel and answer a few of my most asked questions. I did run a poll on my Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell icon next to subscribe. That way you guys can always be notified every single time that I upload a brand new video. And let's go ahead and jump straight in. So what age did you start wearing makeup? And I don't remember the exact age I was, but I know that I definitely started wearing makeup at a very early age. And what kind of inspired me to start just experimenting with makeup and just being interested was watching my mom and my grandma growing up getting ready in the morning. My mom obviously always woke up early to get ready for work. She did her hair, her makeup, and I always sat there and watched her. I was just so intrigued by the process and just like the products that she was using and just the transformation. I think I was in middle school. I want to say that I was probably in 6th grade, and that's kind of during the time when I was starting to experience a little bit of acne on my nose. So I remember using a Bare Minerals like powder foundation. I just would put that on in the morning, and I thought that it was just enough coverage. And then of course as I got older, I started experimenting more with liquid foundations, eyeliners, mascaras, blushes, bronzers, lip products, things like that. And then I didn't start wearing a full face of makeup probably towards like 8th grade and more so into my freshman year of high school. The next question is, did you go to school to become a makeup artist? And a lot of you guys actually don't know this about me, but a lot of my close family and friends know this. I did go to school for aesthetics. My state took about 8 months. It goes by hours, so as long as you're on top of your hours and showing up for class and getting your work done, that's typically around the time that it should take you to complete your program. There was a chapter of makeup, but it was more so just teaching the basics, so just learning like color correction and learning different shapes of the face and the eyes and things like that. So I didn't go to school to, study makeup or become a makeup artist. I became a makeup artist through experience and just getting my name out there. The next question is, what made you want to start a YouTube channel? And what inspired me to start my channel was just getting so many frequently asked questions about, how I apply my makeup, what are my favorite products, what are products that I would recommend, and how I create certain looks. So I thought YouTube would be a great platform to come on and just share those techniques and my favorite products and just be able to physically show everyone, how I create certain looks and products again that I use. My next question is, what was your first job in the beauty industry? It was at Ulta. I was actually working there while I was going to beauty school, and then as soon as I got done with school and I graduated, I went and worked at a salon. And that's where I kind of gained experience with waxing. After that, I started working at a makeup counter. It was definitely very different from anything I've experienced, but I'm really glad that I got to experience makeup retail, and I'm so grateful to have learned so many life lessons and just be able to, get more experience and be more hands-on and just really take any challenges. That's definitely what's going to make you as an artist, is going through the ups and downs and finding things that do work and don't work. And now I'm a freelance makeup artist. I get this question so frequently, is what do I do now? So I do freelancing for myself. I mostly get booked for bridal parties, which are my absolute favorite. And I'm also a freelance makeup artist for Chanel. So I go into the department store and I help, just be an extra hands-on, and I help with special events like skincare events, makeup events, master classes, things like that. So I absolutely love what I'm doing now. The question is, how did you become a freelance makeup artist, and do you have any advice on how to get started? How I became a freelance makeup artist was definitely through experience and just being very hands-on with my clients, and honestly word of mouth. So when you do a good job and you take pride and you are passionate about your work, people definitely recognize that, and it's all about the experience, especially for the client. So if they have a good experience and they love your work, they will definitely recommend you. So what I would recommend if you're wanting to start off is just to be patient with yourself. Makeup is definitely something that you have to practice and you have to be very hands-on with. Just so happy that I started doing makeup at such a young age, because that's really what got me where I am today. As I've mentioned, I used to work at a makeup counter, and if you guys didn't know, when you work at a makeup counter, you get free money, which is for gratis. And gratis is free, again, just free money that you can put towards their products. That way you can test it out for yourself and be able to come into work with a full face of the brand that you're working for. So I used my gratis towards building my kit and being able to have like a wide range of, you know, foundation shades and concealers, powders, and being able to cater towards any client that I may have. So that's kind of how I built my kit, is just through, you know, accumulating products over time, and then at one point working at a makeup counter and using that free money towards building a bigger kit. Another thing that I would recommend is just to love what you do. Definitely don't do something because other people are doing it. If you're passionate about it, people will be able to see that through your work and the way that you treat them. Just the overall experience that you're giving your clients, and just being passionate and loving what you're doing, people will definitely see that and they will recognize that, and they will want to book with you more often. I also was getting a lot of questions on how I got the position with Chanel, and I actually was just walking through the department store one day and I was approached by one of the former counter managers. She just took me in and asked me, you know, what my rate was, and she just wanted me on her team right away, and I'm so grateful for the experience. It's definitely been one of my favorite jobs that I've ever had. You're trying to get your name out there and you're trying to, you know, build your own business or just start showcasing your work, I would definitely recommend making a separate account. So just utilizing all of the free platforms that we have, such as Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook. I showcase my work on Instagram and Facebook, that way I'm catering to all ages. I would definitely keep personal and professional separate. I think it's just more professional to be able to have one Instagram or one Facebook account. That way all of your clients can go to one page and they can find, you know, your work, and they can just really, you know, see if they want to work with you. I started my makeup Instagram, which is for people who are locally around in my area. That way, again, I can showcase my art, I can show them what I can do, and they always have a platform to refer to if they have, you know, any questions, they want to contact me, or again, they just want to see what I can do. So next question is, do you prefer to shop at Sephora or Ulta? I personally shop at Sephora more often. I find that I wear a lot more of the products sold in Sephora stores than I do at Ulta. Some of the products are exclusive to each store. Absolutely love Ulta's point system, and I love that you can go in there and find, you know, your prestige high-end makeup, and you can also find drugstore affordable makeup. I love that it's just kind of like a one-stop shop. You can go in there, you can find, again, drugstore brands, you can find skincare, you can find hair tools, hair products. Next question is, what camera and filming equipment do you use? So I started investing into my equipment pretty early on. What I have in front of me right now is my Diva ring light, and then I also have a camera tripod, and then of course my camera sitting on top, which I'm using the Sony a50-100, and I love that it has a flip-up screen, so that way you can see what you're filming and you can see if you're in focus, you can see the background, and it just gives you a visual of what the camera is seeing. And then I also have two soft boxes. I'm serious about, you know, filming or just creating content or having the best equipment for your work. I would definitely invest in a ring light and a camera. I think just having a good quality camera and good lighting is just what's going to really make your content and your work look its best. Okay, my last question that I'm going to answer for this Q&A is, what are your go-to lashes? I get this question also asked so much. So my favorite lashes are actually the lashes that I'm wearing right now, and these are the Lily lashes in So Extra Mykonos. I also really love the Miami style as well. Okay guys, so that completes my question and answer. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you found these questions and answers informative. Again, if I didn't answer a question that you asked, or you guys would like me to do a part 2 in the future, I definitely will do that for you guys. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.